Hey guys, I have such a fun day planned today. We are going to the aquarium, taking a little road trip, going to the aquarium, seeing all the aquatic animals. I am so excited because I haven't been in maybe like 20 years. The last time I was probably there was when I was little in Disney World or something. So I'm really excited. I want to take you guys along with me, show you all the aquatic animals. So I think it's time to head out. So let's go. We finally just got here and look at how pretty just right when you walk in. Wow, this is so beautiful just to stare at. I'm so happy right now. I was so excited for this tunnel and you can just see all the fish and aquarium around you. This is so cool. The shark teeth have little teeth on it. This is insane. So they have a shark bridge and you can walk over the sharks. We're about to do it. Okay, this is crazy. So we're walking on top of the structure above the shark tank. Pre-COVID, you could actually swim with them, which I would never do. But this is still so cool. And you can see the sharks swimming right underneath you. Okay, I'm nervous. I'm about to pet a horseshoe crab. It's Nemo. And there's Dory. It's the whole Finding Nemo crew in here. Oh my god, stop this. It is so cute. Look at the little baby sloth. And it's holding its food bowl. And it's so cute and it's sleeping. It's time to see some stingrays now. Oh, look at all the penguins. They're all just hanging out. There's some swimming. And then the shark is really slimy. Actually, kind of like sandpaper but slimy. That's our day done. We're now heading home. So we just got back and I am exhausted. That was such a fun-filled day. I got to see so many animals. The aquarium was incredible. It was so big, so nice. I had so much fun. I loved it. So I'm now gonna go shower, have some dinner, and then go probably straight to bed because I am so tired. So thank you guys for coming along with me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, leave me a comment down below. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload. And let me know down in the comments if you like these vlogs that I've been doing, because I will definitely keep doing them for you guys. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.